All right, guys. So Yanku is going to give us a swing tip of the day. Good morning, Yanku.
Hi guys, how's it going? So the one thing I want to talk about today is the sequencing for the downswing. So that means when we are coming down here, how are we going to get to the ball? So I see a lot of guys get to the top here and they think power comes from the club head doing this.
Okay.
And what that causes a lot of guys to do is come over the top and it gives us this either pull or massive slice. So the correct way to start the downswing is when we get to the top here, instead of using the club or arms, I want us to start off by pulling the hips through. So hips go, and then from there the shoulders go. And immediately you can see that the club's behind me and it's quite shallow. So instead of us going like that, getting steep, when the hips go, we're shallow and we can clear it and we can get a better shot shape, better height, and a lot more power.
So Yanku, just do that shallow movement one more time from
So
the top.
we're gonna
So
get
this
to
is the
the
magic
top.
move, guys.
We're gonna
There,
get the hips
that's
through,
where we want the
and
shaft
then
going.
the club comes through like
There
that.
you go. But it's done with the body and not manually with the hands.
Exactly. Should look something like this.
Yeah.
Thanks guys.